Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 6.4 problem number 6. Let us see the question. This is the question. Ravi made a cuboid of plasticine of dimensions 12 cm, 8 cm and 3 cm. How many minimum number of such cuboids will be needed to form a cube? So Ravi made a cuboid of 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 3 centimeter dimensions. So he need to form a cube. Okay. So to form this cube, how many such cuboids need here? So we have to find that number here. So we have to find the number of cuboids to form this cube, or we can call number of cuboids need to fill this cuboid. Okay, right here. Oh, sorry. Right here. So let us find the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid formula. Cuboid volume is equals to LBH. L is equals to 12 centimeter, B is equals to 8 centimeter, H is equals to 3 centimeter. Okay, right here. 12 into 8, 12 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 3 centimeter. So 12 into 3, 36 and into 8. Right, centimeter here, centimeter into centimeter. So 36 8, it becomes 288 centimeter into centimeter, it becomes centimeter cube. This is the volume of cuboid. Okay, right here. So I'm erasing the screen. Write down. Right. So I'll write here 288 centimeter cube is the volume of cuboid. Right. Let us take the LCM of 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter into 3 centimeter. So forget about centimeters. Take 12, 8, 3, 3 fours, 8 as it is, 3 ones, and 4 ones, 4 twos, 1 as it is, 3 fours are 12, 12 twos are 24 is the LCM. It means the smallest cuboid which so 24 is the side of the smallest cube which is made by these cuboids. Okay, so this is the dimension side of a cube. In a cube, all the three sides or three dimensions are equal. So that is nothing but volume of cube which is made by the cuboids is equals to a cube. So a value we have 24. So 24 into 24 into 24 is the volume of the cube. Okay, so it becomes 24 and 24, it is 576 into 24. So what it becomes? 576 into 24. 4 6 are 24, 4 here, 2 here, 4 7 are 28, 29 30, 0 here, 3 here, 4 5 are 20, 23, and 2 6 are 12, 2 here, 1 here, 2 7 are 14 plus 1 15, 5 here, 1 here, 2 5 is 10, 11. Okay, now 4 2 8 3 1, so 13824. So I'm erasing the screen. So 13824 is the volume of a cube which is made by cuboids of 288 centimeter cube volume. Okay, so if you take 288 centimeter cube volume cuboids, you will get this kind of 13824 volume cube. So you need to find here number of such kind of cuboids. So let us take here the number of such cuboids is needed to form cube is equals to, so take the volume of cube by volume of cuboid. Okay, so centimeter gets cancelled. So if you take the cancellation, so let us the screen 13824 by 288, 2 6 are 12, 1 is remaining, 2 9s 18, 2 1s 2 2s, 2 144s and 2 72s, 2 3 6, 2 4s 8, 1 is remaining, 2 5s 10, 1 2 6. So take here 3 4 5 6 by 72. Yeah, 230. Wait, 2 3 is 6, 236 and 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining, 2 8s. 1728 by 36. Right. Next 2 6 2 1s are 2, 2 8s 2 18s, 2 8 is 16, 2 6 12, 2 4s. Okay, so 864 by 18. I will erase the screen. 864 by 18. Again take two table, 2 9s, 2 4s, 2 3s, 2 2s. Okay, take the 9 table. Is it possible to cancel in 9 table? We shall try. 9 ones, 9 4s 36. What is the remaining? 36. 6 plus 4 plus 3 7. Yeah. 9 8s 72. So what is that? 48 is the answer. So what is this 48? Yeah. So that is number of cubes. Therefore, to form 13824 centimeter cube, Ravi need 48 cuboids of volume 288 centimeter cubes. Okay, so the answer is 48 cuboids is needed to form a cube of volume this. Okay, right. Thank you.